It's the Restoration of Reef Islands project. It's being funded by Reef Trust. It's being administered by the Reef Joint Field Management Program, which is a joint arrangement between the Great Barrier Reef Marine Park Authority and the Queensland Parks and Wildlife Service. The objective of this project is to assess and, where required, restore or rehabilitate island habitat. We're addressing this in two different ways. We're looking at islands that we know have suffering from a persistent invasive pest problems, and this project is looking at trying to find different ways of driving that pest problem into a more positive space where you can have a resilient and healthy island ecosystem again. And the other side of the project is to focus on a single species which is really important and really iconic in the islands of the Great Barrier Reef and beyond in the Indo-Pacific, which is the Personia grandis or birdcatcher tree. So in that side of the project, we're quite species focused. We might look at several different islands which have this species on them and investigate concerns about the status of those trees, how healthy the trees are, and look at a specific kind of threat that we're worried about, which is a small insect scale, which can kill some trees when they are allowed to grow to very large numbers of scale insect.
So the Restoration of Reef Islands project is a really great demonstration of how Australian and state governments, traditional owners and industry can come together to deliver environmental management outcomes for the places that are really special. Aestra's role in this project is as the environmental delivery partner for the Reef Authority. Part of our role on this project is organising all of the right people to be in the right places. And logistically that can be really challenging. These areas are really remote to work in. Weather plays a big factor. So for this survey we've organised helicopters, we've organised ecologists with the right skills to do the kinds of surveys that we need, engaging with traditional owners to make sure that we have cultural oversight of the surveys that we're doing and the right agreements in place to come on country and have a look at what's here. And so making sure that we're flexible with our field plans so that what we're doing is safe and we still get to get out on island and get the job done.